This is a guide on replacing an LCD on an Alienware 15 model P69F. Before we start, disconnect the power cord and make sure that laptop is turned off. Open the laptop and start removing the bezel. Gently pull the inner edge of the bezel away from the screen. Once the edge is unsnapped, go around the perimeter, unsnapping the tabs underneath. There are some wires at the bottom edge of the bezel, so don't separate the bezel fully, just place it on the keyboard. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 4 screws holding the LCD panel. 2 screws on the left and 2 more screws on the right side. Place the LCD on the keyboard. Gently peel off the clear tape securing the video connector. Using tweezers, open the connector's bracket. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old panel. Take the new LCD screen and place it on the keyboard. Using both hands, reconnect the video cable. Close the connector's bracket, secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any connectors. As well, you must not twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Lift the screen up and align it with its mounting holes. Replace the 4 Phillips screws, 1 in each corner. Replace the bezel. Lift the bezel up and align it with the back cover. Press firmly in the bottom corners. Then go around the perimeter, snapping the tabs back in place. Make sure that the bezel is closed at the bottom. Use one hand to support the back cover while snapping the tabs along the hinge. Reconnect the power cord, turn the laptop on, and we are done.